How to delete a photo album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Albums section as shown. You can view all your albums over here. Open the album you want to delete from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Delete Album. Tap on Delete Album again to confirm. You can repeat this to delete the other albums as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete a photo album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.